How to fix sorry you have been blocked error ChatGPT. If any day you face a problem like this on your very ChatGPT but do not know how to solve it, then don't worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. You have to tap on the very Google Chrome and your Google Chrome will be launched. Now you have to go to the very search section out there, and after you search section there, you have to search the ChatGPT. That is chat.openai.com, and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the two lines on the top. After you go to the two lines on the top, you can go to the option of the like this here. This is the edit option there. After you tap on that, this is the very option of the new chat there. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the three lines or the three dots on the top. After you do that, you have to go to the option of clear the browsing data and tap on the option of clear the browsing data. After you tap on the option of the clear the browsing data, you have to go to the option of clear the data there. After you tap on the option of the clear the data there, your very data will be cleared, and this way your problem can be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video and found our video to be meaningful for you, do not forget to subscribe our channel and do not forget to like our very video, because this video will be very helpful for you, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more this kinds of these videos as well.